G'day folks, Ben from Snowy's here. Today showing you how to set up this Dometic Santorini FTK 4x8 TC inner tent inside your Santorini tent.
Hit it.
This inner tent is compatible with the FTK 4x8 Santorini tent. Clips in really easily and creates a private sleeping space for 4 people. Before we dive into this product, there is loads more content like this on our YouTube channel, so make sure you like and subscribe and you'll get notified of all of our latest content. Now let's jump in. I've got the Dometic Santorini FTK 4x8 TC tent set up behind me here, and this is the inner tent that goes inside to create kind of a separate little sleeping pod. So this is how it comes, just in a easy to use drawer top bag here. Weighs about 3.5 kilos, measures around about 68, 70 centimeters by about 16 centimeters in diameter. It's pretty straightforward. I'll show you what comes in the bag for starters. There's no pegs or anything. All the clips and stuff that you need to set this up are either on here or in the tent itself. So it comes secured with a couple of nylon ties here. So we'll put them aside so we don't lose it. And we'll cover up on fabrics and stuff outside here before we go inside. So this is just a polyester or a nylon material, and it's all black, so it doesn't actually have a light blocking fabric on it, but it's a black or dark material so that it does make it nice and dark inside, so that you've got both the canvas on the outside and then this that the light's got to go through before it comes inside the tent. We've got a skirt and stuff around here, some zips and things in there that are all going to make sense once we've actually put the tent, this inside the tent. So let's jump in the Santorini right now, start to attach it. We'll show you all the attachment points and then we can look at all the features. So the inner room goes to the rear part of this tent here. You can't attach it on the front, it just goes to this rear section of the Santorini 4x8. So I'll unroll it first, and there is you notice on the floor of the Santorini, there's this Velcro patch here that works in conjunction with this floor as well. So if we just kind of spread it out and orient it, there's clips attached on the sides here, which all line up with clips that are in the corners of the tents. I'm going to spread this out, try and orient it, and then I'll show you how it attaches. So I think I've got this oriented. We won't go through all the clips straight up, but this silver section here, and there's a couple of doors and pockets. This is the middle wall of the tent here that goes under the center hoop. So we know that sits at the front. At the very center, there's this clip here, which has got a gray strap on it. And that marries up with the clip with the gray strap at the top above, or on this side of the pole at the top there. And then there's 2 orange clips here as well. They've got orange straps, and these line up with the orange straps on the side here. So I've got an orange one here, and then at the very bottom here, a bit hidden, but there's another orange one in the corner down here as well. So we know that this bit here is the front of the tent, but we need to set it up from the rear. So there are these plastic clips here. These line up with, it's going to be really hard to see, but there's a little small plastic ring in the corner here that these clip onto. And then as we work our way up the tents, there are tabs that look like this. These are elastic, and these slide into the small flat clips like this one here. These clips are about every 30 centimeters. I'll put each of those in, working my way from one side to the other across the back here. There's 3 clips along the bottom as well. Once I've got the room clipped in along this pole here, I can then move to the front pole. So I've got the room suspended on that back hoop there now. I'm going to now pull this fabric up and attach it to the center hoop. So I'll start with the side release clips. So grey strap here lines up with the clip with a grey strap in the middle there. I'm going to do the orange straps on the corners and at the bottom as well. And then I'll put all of these little clips in place afterwards. I've just noticed that these orange straps are only on this corner of the room. This side and the center has all got grey straps, so it makes it really easy to orient the room or find out where you need to start setting it up by just lining up the orange straps with the orange straps. So that's all clipped in. Now the last thing we want to do is come to the center here. Look for this orange tab and this orange tab, Velcro tab there, which just lines up with what's on the floor to keep that nice and secure so it doesn't become so much of a trip hazard. And that's how to set up the Santorini FTK 4x8 TC inner tent from Dometic. So that creates what was a large room, now turns it into, you've got 2 sleeping pods, or 1 sleeping pod if you like, and living space at the front here. So you can check these out online at snowys.com.au, where you find them at our lowest prices every day.